In this video, I am going to show you how to add a mobile menu to desktop navigation in WordPress. To add a mobile menu to desktop navigation in WordPress, first log into your WordPress website in your WordPress website dashboard. In the left navigation bar, look for an option labeled Appearances. From here you need to tap the Themes option. It will open the Themes tab. Make sure you are using the 2024 theme. After making sure, tap the Editor option under the Appearance tab in the left navigation bar. This will open up the theme editor. Here, wait for the page to load. After the page loads, tap anywhere on the page to open the editor. Here, in the right navigation bar, you have two options. One is a template and one is a block. Now, you need to select the menu. Simply double tap the menu to select it like this. After selecting, in the right navigation bar, under the Blocks section, you will see a set of options. You need to tap the Settings gear icon. After tapping the Settings gear icon, simply scroll down and tap the Two Bars icon. Under the Display tab, this icon will now be used to display the menu. Scroll down and from the Overlay menu setting, choose Always. Now, this double bar icon will always be used whether the website is open on mobile or desktop. That's it. Now, to save this, simply tap the Save icon on the top right corner of the website.